You ready to see that TBF Aventure fly? Ah, let's hit it! Yeah! Futaba 32MZ, TBF Aventure.
That's awesome. It's like a real airplane. Oh, multi-force already down. There it is.
Diego Souza, you can get flight line 2 right now. Diego Souza, flight line 2, please.
Got his gear down. What's that going on? Come on, come on, come on. Oh, he did touch and go. Oh, okay, he did touch and go. Never mind. That TBF Aventure. And the TBF Aventure with the moki 300. Moki 300. I forgot it's not a moki 250. It's moki 300. So again, F6F Hellcat. It's got a moki 180. And the TBF Aventure. It's got a moki 300 5-cylinder engine. Got his gear down. Looks like he's landed this time. You got it, Michael. You got it. There you go, Mike Cole. Good job, Mike Cole. There's Peter Goldsmith. They're my homies now. That was a perfect landing. All right, good job, Michael. Good job, buddy.
There's my favorite F-18c Sabre. My favorite turbine jet. That's what I want right there. Yeah, that's so sexy right there. Futaba 32MZ F-18c Sabre. Ah! We're going 286 miles per hour. Hang on, kids. And look what we have here. F-100 Super Sabre. The $50,000 jet. There she is. Ooh, yeah, she's so sexy. Futaba 32MZ F-100 Super Sabre. Ah! We're going 286 miles per hour. Hang on, kids. Oh, wow. Look at that Spacewalker with the Comb CC 4-cylinder engine with auto start. There she is. That plane is so sexy. With the Futaba 32MZ Spacewalker 3D. Ah! No, we're going down!
Spacewalk with the electric start. This is what it sound like. Start. Come on.
Not starting. We got to get Peter Goldsmith to fix it. Don't worry. He'll fix it. Futaba 32MZ Focke-Wulf 3D. With the moki 250 5-cylinder engine. There she is. Yeah, baby. Look at that spinner. Look at all the rivers. Ah! We're going 256 miles per hour. Hang on, kids. Yeah! Futaba 32MZ 86 Texan. Oh, look at that. Ah! We're going 256 miles per hour. Hang on, kids. Futaba 32MZ P47 Thunderbolt. Ah! Ah! We're going 256 miles per hour. Hang on, kids. I'm coming after you, Germans! Ah!
Check this out, guys. Look at the pilot just moved by itself. How cool is that, guys? It's been 22 years I've been talking about this. They move when the plane's off? Dude, that is sick. They move when the plane's off by itself. Nice, nice. Never did that before. That's pretty cool. That's awesome.
Okay, this plane right here is a Palatic PC-9 with a turbo prop. There she is. Ooh, that plane is so sexy. Look at that. Yes. Oh, yeah. Look at there she is. I like that color scheme right there. Good looking plane, too. Very expensive. Futaba 32MZ Palatic PC-9. Ah! Ah! We're going 286 miles per hour. Hang on, kids. Ah! That's a big plane. No. Ah! I got you now, Bugatti Chiron. Ah! I'm coming after you. I got you now.
To be jotting down some notes during his court case with Amber Heard.
However, Eagle Eye fan noticed he was actually
Look at that, Paul Banger. MET62 turbine, baby. Your favorite.
Passing him over to his lawyer.
That's what you need, Paul.
Look down, pat a nod. There's a video which has gone viral on TikTok. It shows him sharing his doodle of an unidentified woman. So he's just doodling. That's crazy stuff. And more good rocking stuff. Every mother's son on 60s Gold.
There you go.
There it is. ME-262 twin turbine German jet. German. I'm gonna kick your butt. 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 There I am. There's the team for top of the RC Celebrity Speed Fresh, kissing my 32MZ, kissing my P47 Razorback 3D. Yeah. Yeah, baby. We're cruising now. There's that extra 300 SP, my favorite 3D plane. I'm glad I flown one of them. The plane like Sean Branagh's. Yeah, baby. This is it. Futaba 32MZ, extra 300 SP. Ah! We're going 256 miles per hour. Hey on, kids! Futaba 32MZ, concept 30. Ah! You're never gonna catch me, you police woman, because I'm in a new helicopter.
Ha! You never gonna get me, police woman with the red lip, because I'm in a helicopter. I'm in a brand new Keosha Concept 30. Yes, Yasmina. 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 Blue truck, Jurassic World, Camp Quotations, baby. The Indoraptor. The house of boss of cheap ass float plane take is not starting. On sheet. Okay, let's see. On sheet. Okay, let's see. On sheet.
Spectrum IX20C, Spectrum IX20C, Spectrum IX20C, 32MZ, 32MZ, Spectrum IX20C, Spectrum IX20C, P40 Thunderbolt, Razorback, let's race, let's go, Top Gun, woos!
All right, this is round three. Round three. Stop, I forgot about the songs playing on the background. All right, here it comes. Sorry about the song playing background, guys.
Hornet.
About to get his F-18c Hornet. We got Chris Moe with the BVM L39 Albatross getting ready to take off. There he is right there, Team BVM Jets. That's nice from the pass. And the extra 300 SP has taken off. Get ready to take off on this brand new 2022 BVM L39 Albatross. Plug and play.
BVM L39.
Forgot to say Albatross plug and play. But that's alright. L39 Albatross. Look at them lights in that. See how fast it takes them off the mound? Fast. Looks like Barry's gonna come in for a landing. Landing, y'all. Good job, Bear. All right, maneuver complete, guys.
Here's the real carpet. Here's the real carpet on the Palatic PC9. On the Palatic PC9. Oh, look at that Corsair. That's Jim. Look at that Moki 250. Ooh, I'm gonna take that home with me, baby. Oh yeah. Oh, what do we got here? The new Havoc. That's my color I want. Black and orange. Don't mess with the turbine jet. Don't mess with the turbine jets.
Running hands on behalf of all the volunteers. And you have to take coming out here donating their time, the Imperial RC club, etc. So when he touches down, if you don't mind, big thank you in the form of a round of applause for that volunteer.
I lost him. There it is. That was a good landing right there. Good job.
Hey, what do we got? Hey, that's me right over there. The team Futaba. Ah, you want some of this?
Shows the range. Andy was flying one of the gliders, the 580, the Meg. Matt with the F-100. Aerobatic airplanes, everything in between.
Here they come. Yes. Tight formation, man. Yes. Information right there. Yeah. My Big 17. That's Alamachichi's Big 17. That's what it's going to fly from my favorite color right there. Big blue, white, and green.
Number 30.
Nice landing. There's that Colt 230cc engine. This one, that's something. That's the one that's spacewalk with Colt 230cc engine. It has an electric start. Yeah, formation right there.
ready to get going and get the third round of training finished up today. And enjoy the rest of the afternoon.
Nice. That's how you get low, baby. That's the sack I just did right there. That's how you get low. All right, Mix 17 is coming down for a landing. So give me the land too. There you go, got his gear down. Mix 17 has landed. Just like that. Here comes the F-100 Super Sabre. Coming in for landing too. Oh, stalling it. Oh, that was a hard hit.
Okay, those were great.
Here's the scores I made. Ooh, I made it 91. Not bad at all. Haha, for the Raptor 60. Ooh, another one made it 89. Nice, nice, nice. Nick Zawoli. Dino, the legend. Team Futaba style. Tuskegee Airman will beat the Germans. Ooh, look at that P47. And it wouldn't start. No, you better start. Come on, P47. Come on, start. There's that hanging nice and down on 36. I've been looking for that plane for 11 years in 2011. Brand new. Futaba 32MZ, Sundowno 36. Yeah! There's the F-18c Hornet from the Eminem Hobby Center. There she is. This real cockpit. $12,000 jet. This the one-on-one right here. I've been looking for that jet for 21 years in 2001. There she is, baby. Ooh, yeah. Top speed, 180 miles per hour. That's right. Twin turbine, baby. Yes. Futaba 32MZ, F-18 Hornet. We're going 256 miles per hour. Hang on, kids. There's the P40 Warhawk with the Comb 230cc inline 3-cylinder 4-stroke engine with auto start. There's the real cockpit. $30,000 plane right there. Good looking plane. Futaba 32MZ, P40 Warhawk. Yeah! We're going 256 miles per hour. There's the Comb 230cc inline 3-cylinder engine. My favorite Corsair with the folding wings like Finis Hobson's. With the moki 250 5-cylinder engine, baby. Yeah, Futaba 32MZ, FOU Corsair 3D. There's the RV4 in 2019. Great RV4 3D, baby. There she is. Red, white, and silver. Futaba 32MZ, RV4 3D.